Hey there, CFOs! Are you ready to unlock the hidden value in your company? Today, I'm diving into a crucial topic that often flies under the radar: capital structure. It's more than just numbers. It's the backbone of your company's financial health and strategic direction. First off, let's talk about how a flawed capital structure can be a silent killer. It can hinder your strategic initiatives, operational efficiency, and ultimately, shareholder value. Think of it like having a great car but with a misaligned chassis. No matter how powerful the engine, it won't perform at its best. Before you bring in new capital, do your homework. Vet potential investors with the same diligence you would for a key hire. Misaligned investors can create chaos and derail your long-term vision. A well-balanced capital table is another key to success. It ensures liquidity, control, and investor alignment. However, beware of conflicting motivations. They can obstruct crucial decisions and destabilize management. When integrating new investors, treat them as partners. Involve them in board meetings and strategic discussions. But remember, diverse objectives can lead to disagreements. Open communication and transparency are your best allies here. Non-traditional capital might look tempting, but it's a double-edged sword. Convertible debt can lead to high interest payments, draining your cash flow. Missing these payments can trigger a technical default, jeopardizing your company's future. And let's not forget the peril of compounding debt. PIK interest might seem like a temporary fix, but it increases your principal debt, compounding your financial strain. This can erode investor confidence and damage your market reputation. Aligning investor objectives is critical for long-term success. Establish clear governance frameworks and define decision-making processes. This builds trust and collaboration, setting a strong foundation for growth. Remember, achieving the right capital structure balance is a shared responsibility. Investors, executives, board members, and especially you, the CFO, must work together. Conduct thorough due diligence, prioritize open communication, and explore innovative financing solutions. In the end, understanding and strategically managing your capital structure isn't just a financial concern, it's a strategic imperative. By aligning stakeholder objectives and navigating these complexities, you can build a robust foundation for future growth. So, CFOs, are you ready to master your capital structure and unlock your corporate value? Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.